a train that floats above the tracks at 600 km/h, a drone that flies you to work without a pilot, and classrooms where AI tracks your brainwaves. Sounds like science fiction? It's not. This is happening right now in China. Fact 1. Magnetic levitation trains, maglev. China's maglev train isn't powered by wheels, but by magnets. Using magnetic repulsion, it floats above the tracks, eliminating friction entirely. The result? A train that can hit 600 km/h faster than a commercial airplane. And it's not just a prototype. Test runs began in Qingdao and full commercial service is coming soon. China's Maglev project represents a leap in high-speed transport that the rest of the world is still dreaming about. It's a bold step toward ultra-efficient, emission-free travel. If successful, it could reshape how countries approach rail infrastructure. And China plans to expand this tech into multiple urban and intercity lines within the decade. Fact 2. AI in schools. In Chinese classrooms, artificial intelligence is part of daily education. Students wear headbands that measure brainwave activity, tracking focus and attention in real time. Teachers receive reports, parents get updates, and students are graded by algorithms. It sounds like dystopia, but it's already happening. AI is also used to identify cheating, evaluate essays, and suggest custom learning paths. In China, education isn't just digital, it's intelligent. Some schools even use facial recognition to take attendance. Critics warn of over-surveillance, but supporters praise the system's efficiency. And as these systems evolve, they're being tested for emotional analysis and stress detection too. Fact 3. Robot police dogs. Move over. Boston Dynamics. China's robot dogs are patrolling real streets. Equipped with facial recognition, 5G connectivity, and high-res cameras, these bots are used in border patrols, city security, and disaster zones. Some models are armed with speakers and even non-lethal weapons. They don't need rest. They don't get distracted. And yes, they're already in action. Chinese media has showcased them assisting during COVID lockdowns. They're also being tested in high-risk zones where sending humans would be dangerous. And next-gen versions are now being equipped with drone launching capabilities. Fact 4. Flying taxis by eHang. You've seen drones. Now imagine sitting in one. eHang, a Chinese company, has developed the EH216, an autonomous aerial vehicle that flies passengers like an airborne Uber. No pilot. Just enter your destination and lift off. The aircraft has completed thousands of test flights and is now approved for operation in several cities. China may be the first country to normalize flying taxis, sci-fi style. eHang's aircraft run on electric power and are designed for short urban hops. They aim to cut both travel time and urban congestion. In 2024, eHang received the world's first airworthiness certification for autonomous passenger drones. Fact 5. AI judges in virtual courtrooms. In parts of China, you can be tried, sentenced, and fined by a robot. AI systems are being used in digital courtrooms to evaluate evidence, cross-check legal codes, and issue rulings. The goal? Speed and accuracy. One such system handled 3 million legal cases in a single year. It's not a replacement for human judges, yet, but in China's legal system, AI is already wearing the robe. These AI systems can also suggest plea deals and legal paths in real time. Efficiency is key, but it raises serious ethical questions globally. Developers claim the system is now accurate to over 97% in civil dispute classifications. Fact 6. Facial recognition payment. Forget wallets and smartphones. In China, your face is your credit card. At supermarkets, train stations, and fast food chains, cameras scan your face to authorize payments in under a second. The system ties into apps like Alipay and WeChat Pay, verifying identity through biometric data. Privacy concerns aside, this tech is smooth, fast, and shockingly common. In some cities, facial payment is more common than card or cash. It's convenience at a cost, one that many are willing to accept. And recent updates even allow payment with just a glance at vending machines or kiosks. Fact 7. Smart cities with AI traffic control. Chinese cities like Hangzhou have integrated AI traffic control systems that reduce congestion in real time. The system collects data from cameras, GPS units, traffic lights, and even weather sensors to manage traffic flow. The result? Commutes reduced by 15% or more in some districts. These smart cities don't just monitor, they respond. AI predicts jams and redirects vehicles before a slowdown occurs. Urban planning in China is increasingly data-driven, and this model is now being exported to smart city projects in Southeast Asia. Fact 8. Social credit system, tech-driven governance. This one's controversial but undeniably futuristic. China's social credit system uses tech to track citizen behavior, everything from paying bills to online comments. Based on the data, individuals can be rewarded or penalized. It's implemented differently across regions, but the digital infrastructure behind it is massive. And while the West debates ethics, China is already testing tech-powered governance. Penalties can include travel bans or access restrictions. Supporters say it builds trust. Critics call it surveillance at scale. And recent pilot projects link the system to smart city data and online activity history. Fact 9. Fully automated ports. China's Qingdao port is operated almost entirely by robots. Giant cranes load and unload containers. Autonomous vehicles transport goods across the docks. And AI handles scheduling, routing, and coordination. The result? One of the world's most efficient shipping hubs, with almost no human labor. Operations run day and night without breaks or delays. This model is now being studied by ports worldwide. New trials show AI-managed logistics have reduced turnaround time by over 30%. Fact 10. AI news anchors. On Chinese TV, not all anchors are human. China's Xinhua news agency has introduced AI-generated anchors, digital avatars that deliver real news in real time. They can work 24/7, don't need makeup, and never make mistakes. These anchors are powered by machine learning and speech synthesis, and they're indistinguishable from real reporters. China isn't waiting for AI to replace jobs. It's already hiring. Viewers often can't tell the difference. This blend of tech and media could become a global trend. New versions are now multilingual and able to deliver region-specific news autonomously. From floating trains to flying taxis, China isn't just building tech, it's redefining the future. Which of these technologies shocked you the most? Drop a comment below and don't forget to subscribe for more wild stories from around the world. Only on Curiosity AI.